Welcome to the best picks. The best Note 10 Plus charger is probably one of the most important accessories you can buy for your phone, ensuring not only fast charging speeds but also the safety and longevity of your battery. In this video, we will deep dive into the world of Samsung Note 10 Plus chargers, exploring various options, their features, and helping you choose the perfect charger to meet your specific needs and preferences. We will analyze charging speeds, compatibility, build quality, safety features, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. 30W USB-C Fast Charger Kit. This kit includes two 30W USB-C chargers and two 6.6-foot fast charging cables. It's perfect for quickly charging your compatible devices. It delivers a maximum of 30W of power, charging your phone from 0 to 100% in about an hour. That's much faster than standard chargers. The long cable gives you the freedom to charge your device while you're using it. It's great for home, travel, or the office. It works with most USB-C devices, including iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones. You can charge many of your devices with this one kit. It's designed with safety in mind, protecting against overloads, short circuits, and overheating. Charge with confidence. You get two 30W USB-C chargers and two 6.6-foot fast charging cables. Plus, we're here to help 24/7 if you have any questions. What we like. It boasts a powerful 30W output and an extra long cable for ultimate convenience. If you need a fast charge and long cable length, this is the perfect choice for you. This dual pack is great for home and office use, or even travel. What people say. It's working perfectly and I love the length. I can stay in bed and use my phone while plugged in. Charged my phone quickly. Seems strong too. Chargers worked as expected and charge very fast. Always need longer cord due to outlets hidden or seating out of range. Durable cord, great resealable AG for any travel, and double pack of cords and adapters is good. Charging very good, adapter secure in wall outlet. Number 4. Samsung 25W USB-C charger. This charger supports multiple fast charging technologies, including Samsung Super Fast Charging. It's designed for a wide range of Samsung Galaxy devices and other USB-C compatible phones. Get a super fast charge. It can charge your phone from 0% to 60% in just 30 minutes and fully charge it in an hour. Enjoy less time plugged in and more time on the go. It's compatible with a wide variety of USB-C devices, including many Samsung Galaxy models, Google Pixel phones, and more. It's the perfect charger for your everyday needs. The included 6.6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable provides ample length for comfortable charging. It's also great for data transfer. Multiple built-in safeguards protect your devices from short circuits, overcurrent, and other potential issues. Charge with confidence, knowing your devices are safe. You get two 25W chargers and two 6.6 feet USB-C to USB-C cables. We're here to help 24/7 if you have any questions. What we like. This charger supports multiple fast charging technologies and is compatible with a wide range of devices. If you need a versatile charger that works with many devices and want a quick top-up, this is for you. Get your phone to 60% in just 30 minutes. What people say. Charger is good quality, works well, fast charging, great cord length is great. These are the fastest, best quality chargers I have ever purchased that work so well, and lightning fast charging on all my Samsung phones. Works well and far faster than a regular USB cable and a wall block. Number 3. Samsung 45W USB-C charger. This charger offers incredibly fast charging speeds. Power up your compatible Samsung device in a flash. Go from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. It's much faster than standard chargers. It comes with a long, reversible Type-C cable for easy connection and added convenience. Enjoy fast charging and data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones and tablets. It supports PPS protocol for optimal charging. Multiple built-in safeguards protect your devices from overcharging, overheating, and other potential issues. Charge with confidence. You get two 45W USB-C wall chargers and two 3 feet Type-C cables. Everything you need for fast and reliable charging. What we like. With its impressive 45W output, it's the fastest charger here. If you value speed and efficiency above all else, this is the one for you. Get to 50% in just 20 minutes. What people say. What a difference in charging time. I had my Samsung S20 Ultra at 47% battery. This charged it to 85% in 21 minutes. About 1.5 times larger than the standard Samsung charger, this needs a little more room on the outlet, but doesn't hog up the space to prevent other plugs access. Very easy to use, plug it in, and attach the extra long cord to your device. Compatible with my phone, and other devices like the tablets or other C-type inputs. The cords are long and appear to be a bit more durable than other cords I've used. Number 2. Type-C Fast Charger 2-Pack. This charger is designed for a fast and safe charging experience. It's perfect for all your USB-C devices. It has built-in safeguards to protect your devices from overcharging, short circuits, and overheating. Your devices are in safe hands. Charge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 75% faster than standard chargers. It's not just for charging, it also offers high-speed data transfer for syncing your phone or tablet. Enjoy both speed and convenience. It works with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets, as well as other USB-C devices. It's the one charger you need. You get two fast wall chargers and two 6.6 feet Type-C cables. Plus, we offer 24/7 customer support for a worry-free experience. What we like. This charger prioritizes safety with multiple built-in safeguards. If you're looking for a reliable and safe fast charging solution, this is a great option. The dual pack is perfect for sharing or having one at home and one at the office. What people say. At 6.6 feet, 2 meters, this cable is the perfect length. It offers ample flexibility to use my phone comfortably while it's charging, whether I'm lying in bed, sitting on the couch, or working at my desk. No more being tethered to a wall socket right next to me. The build quality of this USB-C cable is outstanding. It feels robust and well-made, with a durable braided exterior that resists tangling and fraying. The connectors are solid and fit snugly into my phone and charger port, ensuring a reliable connection every time. This cable supports fast charging, and it delivers. Paired with my compatible fast charger, it charges my phone incredibly quickly, which is a lifesaver when I'm in a hurry. I've noticed no degradation in charging speed or performance compared to shorter, original cables that came with my devices. Number 1. MAILESI iPhone 15/16 Charger. This charger is designed for a super fast charge. It can charge your phone up to 65% in just 30 minutes. It works with a variety of devices, including the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones. It's the perfect solution for all your Type-C devices. The included 6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable gives you the flexibility to charge anywhere, at home, in the office, or on the go. It's ETL certified, ensuring complete protection for your devices with built-in safety features. You can charge with confidence. You get two 25W USB-C chargers and two 6 feet USB-C to USB-C cables, plus an 18-month warranty and our excellent customer support. With this charger, you'll save time and get a full charge in just an hour. Enjoy the convenience and speed. What we like. It offers a reliable 25W fast charge and a convenient 6-foot cable. If you want a balance of speed and convenience, this is a solid choice. The dual pack is perfect for home and travel. What people say. The cord is the perfect length and it charges fast. The one I purchased first has lasted me well over a year and still would fully charge my phone in an hour. These fast chargers work great for both. The best value for your money and they're super durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.